Okay guys, I want to show y'all something pretty quick here. I put together a tool, a little small emergency flat kit for your motorcycle. And I was at we have a store here local that sells a bunch of tools, and like every big town has a place that does it. And I found this little air compressor called Airman, and it's the same one that Harley Davidson uses, and has a gauge on and off. The unit itself wraps around and locks in there, and it has the a 12-volt plug right there, but you have all these adapters. This is the one I use because I have a trickle charge system set up on mine. And it comes with all these fittings like this. And this is one. And if you could, just plug into this and hook it up right up to your battery. But it already has this plug, now that I think about it, underneath here. And it's like 10 or 12 foot of line. And having air is nice. But the other part of the equation, I put that over there, is I found this from Grip, or Gripe, I don't know how you pronounce it. And it was a little tackle toolbox kit. Now, inside, it had a lot of stuff. It's got air gauge. It's got, this is what you put through these. You put them through here, twist them up and run them through your hole, but after you use this to clean the hole out, it's got patches. It came with a batch of these. I threw a few more of these in. It's got a air chuck tool. It has caps and extra Schrader valves in there. That's a Schrader valve tool. I'm sorry I got that wrong. But I put extra Schrader valves in there. But this is all a portable little system. And I like these handles because they're straight and small. Normally they're a T handle. Take up a lot of room. And on a motorcycle you don't want a lot of room taken up. You just want to, to fit. And all of this fits in this little bag. And so I think, I forgot. I didn't. Tools. 2 tools you will need is something like this. Because this is what you grab on to the nail or the screw that's got into your tire. And this is the best style of tool to pull them out of the tire. And this, you need this or a set of just regular pliers, but I got this because I think they're a little bit more handy. And they're small, and all of this stuff fits in this little bag. So when I'm out riding, I don't want to get stranded. If I have if I had to plug a tire, man, I'll plug that booger and keep on riding, or make it back to a safe place where I can, have service done and all. But these are good. They sell them on eBay and Amazon, I believe. And like I said, I found this at a tool place, and it has everything you need in there. I was really surprised when I found that. But Airman is the name of that. So guys, got a good setup here for you, and I hope I give you guys some good ideas. And we will catch you guys on the next video.